guys, we're back, and the TRXs aren't the only thing we brought in this weekend. We also got you guys Mr. Hollywood and Sebastian Novak. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Hi guys, so first of all, we want to wish happy birthday to the man behind the scenes that makes it all happen,
Woo!
Sebastian. Today is his birthday. He's a young 39, and we have some questions for you that we need you guys to vote on in the comments on. But first of all, we want to talk about the 2023 Ram ProMaster orders. They are not available to be ordered from the factory just yet, but what we can do and what we are doing is we're taking your names, we're taking the information, the vehicle that you wanted, how you wanted, and we're putting you on a priority list. So if you want him, contact Sebastian as soon as possible. He's here hard working for you guys on his birthday, so you guys know that he's got your back covered. We also need your vote. Sebastian recently decided to try growing a beard, and we need to know if you think it's a good look on it. Put that in the comments below, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and see you guys at the top. Jackie, take it away.
And don't forget, you guys already know, to build your own TRX factory order, any vehicle that you'd like, you're going to go to Dodge.com, Jeep.com, Chrysler.com. You're going to go to the build at the corner, start building your dream vehicle. After you're done with that, scroll all the way to the bottom, download that PDF, and send it to Sebastian that we have links down below, as well as I. And don't forget to, guys, vote for Sebastian's beard.
Thank you.